What is this? Before I take it out.
It's a Piaggio.
300?
They call it a 350, but it's 333.
And should I ask now or when I get back what you've done to it?
It's modified.
It's modified. Okay. All right. That's all I need to know. Okay. How's your brakes? Good? They feel good.
It's a scooter.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh my. Jerry, you're a crazy bastard. Oh my God. The amount of torque this has is sketchy. Oh my God. Leave it to Jerry to take this bitch out. I'm gonna rip it here. Oh my good God, this thing is rowdy. Oh my God. Oh my God, Jerry. Okay, so if you guys don't know Jerome, he makes wild scooters. This is only a 350 and this has a ballistic amount of takeoff. This thing is a wild machine. I gotta ask what he's done to the clutch. It's clearly been heavily modified. This is not normal, and the handlebars unfortunately sit a little bit sideways, but man, this thing feels like a rocket ship of power. This is a wild little machine here. He's got the idle set really low too. It's a chug machine. Chug, 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 chug. It's probably a single cylinder thumper, I would guess. Good God, though, it's got just a stupid amount of takeoff. I don't know how he came in so calm on this thing. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick takeoff here. 3, 2, 1. Oh my good God. Holy Jesus. This thing is stupid. Oh, Jerry. I've ridden faster ones, but it's so unexpected with how quiet it is. It sounds so... it's like a sleeper. It's so unpredictably fast. I don't even need to take this any further, and I already know that this thing is just dumb. Just absolutely dumb. Build a little RPMs and pepper it. Oh, God. Oh. The amount of torque this thing has is so wild. I don't even understand. What the fuck, Jerry? This thing is a ballistic green missile of craziness. And it's so quiet. Listen, helmet up. I can't even tell it's running. But that clutch engages instantly. And it just has so much grab and torque. This thing is fun. This is fun. Jerry, you have created a monster, sir. We're gonna go back and ask him specifically what he's done to this 350 Piaggio, because I've ridden 2 of these and they were nothing like this. This is like dumb. If I just hit it, oh my God, you can lose control of this thing so quickly. Oh, holy fuck. This thing is ridiculous. And it feels like he certainly doesn't have enough air in the tires. What in God's name? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? This thing is ridiculous. I don't even know where to begin.
Everybody said you were gone for a long time.
Really?
And I said you must be enjoying it.
Yes, I was. Why is it so torquey out of the hole? It's awesome. It's just so much pull. It's crazy. Why? What have you done?
The transmission is modified.
Here, I think you laid it down.
And I put smaller tires front and back.
Okay.
That's really all it.
And that's it.
That's it.
To the transmission, was that gearing, CVT, variator, clutch, springs, contra?
This one has a Malasa variator.
Okay.
Malasi. I paid $650 for this thing.
It was a great deal.
With the brand new Malasi variator.
It's a sleeper for sure.
Oh, I love this scooter.
The amount of power it actually has once you let it build a little RPM and then pepper it is insanity. I've ridden another one of these and it was nowhere near this pungent. This is definitely a wild machine.
I know how to modify it.
I know you do. That's, yes, the people should.
You want one of these?
Yeah, absolutely.
Holy
Thank you,
cow,
sir.
These look like notebooks.
There you go. This is where this stuff happens at,
You
folks.
said you didn't want notebooks. But I want keychains. You got one?
Oh, Daniel, what's up, buddy?
Hey man, how's it going?
It's going.
You gonna blow up on me, man?
Okay, well, that's a wild machine.
All it's gonna say is
We gotta add Jerry's info in there so you guys can reach out to him if you want to.
12.
Hi,
I
babe.
put the mileage too. I put the date and the mileage.
Yeah, we're the only sport bike here today. Everybody else is all scooters.
Yeah.